How to set encrypted password on WhatsApp. First of all, launch WhatsApp application on your device. Make sure to log in and sign in. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen and select Settings. On this section, tap Chats. Now select Chat Backup. Tap End-to-End Encrypted Backup at bottom of the screen and here tap Turn On button. Now tap Create Password and type a password which must be at least 6 characters and 1 letter. Now tap on the Next button and retype the password here. Tap the Next button again and now select Create button. Now all your chats will be backed up on this Google account. So after a while, your encrypted password will be successfully set on WhatsApp. So that is how we set encrypted password on WhatsApp. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.